baby. Today is the D-Day. Okay, what's that? I'm gonna do. Congratulations in advance.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna do.
Babalistic.
Babalistic. Good baby. Your daughter has not checked on you since then. Does it mean she does not wish you well? Is she having problem with you being happy?
Oyoyo. Let's not talk about dead people. Whether she likes it or not, I must get married today. To the bone of my bone. Flesh of my flesh.
You're already married to your papa. Because her marriage failed, she wants all of us to remain single.
Biko, Oyoyo. I hate negative vibe. Biko. Change this topic, change Jelum gist. This is not the kind of gist I should hear on a day like this. Biko. You're tired me. I don't want to switch my mood.
No. Don't spoil your mood, Biko. Just keep smiling for your papa. Asa Baba. Golden baby Baba. Hey! Let me go and bring the accessories. You
will not finish up the blending and
don't worry. Don't worry, I bought everything. I know you forgot. But I bought it. Hey, golden baby.
My chief bridesmaid. Hey. Oyoyo.
Golden baby.
Biko, hurry up now. Biko, the nails, now everything, oh.
I'm coming.
Biko. Don't forget the extra dress for my honeymoon, oh.
I'm coming with all of them.
Okay.
What have I done? Move.
When I'm done dealing with you, you will show me that woman you have been spending my money on.
I can't understand what you're talking about. You see, watch what your mother is doing to me. Talk to her.
But Dad, I warned you.
Warn me of what?
I warned you. Or you think we don't know that you're planning to wed today? That is not a secret. Take him away.
Someone, you're under arrest.
Yes, take him away. And make sure you arrest that woman he has been spending my money on. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Calm down, it's okay.
Hi, what is going on? Chief is not yet here. Look at the time. Oyoyo.
Just calm down. He will soon be here.
He will soon be here. He's not here yet. I don't make late now. It's my day. I need to show all my dance steps. He's not picking his calls now.
Madam Gold, you worry too much. Maybe he is dressing up.
I don't want anything that will spoil my day.
Nothing will spoil your day.
I don't like all this
Nothing
delay.
will spoil your day.
Oh, thank God. Officers now, what took you so long? He sent you to carry me?
Madam, move. No, we are under arrest.
Excuse me. What do you mean that I'm under arrest?
Let's go to the station.
Officer, please don't crack me up. I take that to be a slip of tongue.
We are under arrest.
Church, you mean, and not station, right?
Station.
Under arrest for what?
Madam, I say we are under arrest. Let's go to the station. Madam, move. Move! We are under arrest. Just move! Move! Move!
Now you've seen my face.
Move! Madam, move.
Pack my veil now. It's very expensive.
Move!
You take my boy to pack your thing. Move!
This wedding gown is very expensive.
Move.
And now he's dragging on the ground.
Move!
My house right now, I will break your head. Get out. You say get out. Get out. Get out. Every time, if you don't bring bad news to my house, you will not rest. I'm also.
Oyoyo. Look at what they did to me. Look at my body.
I thought of one day and maybe. They are heartless. Hey! They really dealt with you. No. But if I may ask, what did they say was your offense?
That man did not tell me that he's married though. Yes. His wife stays in Obodo Ibo. She was the one that sent them to come and arrest me.
Apuna Fugono. Eh? How can men be this deceitful? Even Bobo Nkiti one Nchena or DJ. I thought he was different. Etiko. You were really enjoying him. He will buy you this. Sometimes he will even take you to hotel. You will spend weeks, days, or forget spend the months there. And while coming back, you will come back looking very tired. He really enjoyed you in and out.
Please.
Hey! Popolicious Popolito. Ah!
Honestly, I didn't expect this. He's still in the police cell as we speak. The wife said they must not release him till next year.
Eh? No, you are lucky. Fendi eko ebotangwanshi.
Stop!
Sorry.
Are you with me or against me?
Sorry, I feel your pain. Eh? Hey! Golden. Change go from golden. Do you have robe? I'm not in it.
I'll be fine. Don't worry. I'll be fine.
Hey! Golden or silver.
What have I gotten myself into? My husband, please, wherever you are, come back to me. I miss you so much. I can't wait to have you back.
I learned your husband no longer live here.
Good morning, ma.
I asked you a question, woman.
He's not around, ma.
Oh, he doesn't live here anymore.
He will be back, ma.
Well, your 6 months rent has expired, and I want you to leave this compound with immediate effect because I will not have you endanger my tenants.
Please. I have changed. I will never harm anybody again in this place. You ask them. They will tell you I'm a changed person now. I am not ready to fight anybody. Please, ma, please don't do this to me. Please, ma. Please.
Well, I'll not let you kill someone in my compound before I take action as the landlady. So I give you till next week to leave.
You know you're a woman with a good heart. You cannot do this to me. Please, I beg you.
I won't repeat myself. Next week.
Madam, please. Madam. Oh. Madam, oh.
James, you're here.
Oh yes, you're dressed. Where are you going to?
I want to check if they're done with interior design.
Oh, that's fine. That's your house there. Me, I go like stay there, okay?
Don't worry. The
Well,
young shall grow.
all right, all the best, bro. Okay, I'll wait for you here.
I would like us to talk when I'm back.
I hope all is well.
We need to talk about your wife.
Nah, hey, next now what for you, eh? I was even thinking maybe I have overstayed my welcome. I don't even understand. Please, why do you want to spoil our show? I don't want to talk about her. Eh? I'm done with the past, please. I don't want to have anything with her again. I don't want to talk about her, please. I don't want her.
And
please.
what about your daughter? How does she feel? So you don't care about her happiness?
Well, I love my daughter. And I'm sure she will be happier staying with her.
You cannot run faster than your shadow. There is nothing like family. Like I told you, when I'm back, we're going to talk about it. I can never ask you to leave my house. You're my brother. Just feel at home, okay? We'll talk about it when I'm back.
Hey, open the gates.
Your mistakes, stop crying, stop crying. Go look for your husband. Stop crying. Now you realize your mistakes, stop crying. Go look for your husband. Ewa ejima kamo gasasi abemo. Ebe nega silindo wa asina la putago. Jubu biko imara munanka mamezi yozo. Ebe nenya sonsobo.
I thought I will never see you again. My husband.
It's okay.
I know I've wronged you. I've been a bad wife. I've insulted, humiliated you in every way. But I promise you one thing today. I would never try it again. I now know your worth in my life. You're the crown over my head, and without you, I'm nothing. I would never insult you. Please, forgive me. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'll never my son again. You're welcome.
Let's go inside. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's go in. Okay? Open the door. Okay.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
My love.
Yeah.
Where have you been? I've been so worried about you.
I know. I'm back to you now. I've been with my friend Nelson, and he has been taking good care of me.
I can see that. You look so good.
Thank you.
And I've been meaning to ask, did you find work there?
Well, not really. Nelson has been so good to me. He gives me, buys clothes for me, food, money, and everything. He has been so good to me as a friend. So
My God will
I'm waiting for the job that is coming soon.
My God will continue to bless him.
Amen.
And yes, God, in His infinite mercy, will provide a better job for you soon.
Thank you. You don't need to worry yourself. I've missed you. Come.
I've missed you even more. Let me quickly prepare something for you to eat. Your special delicacy.
What do you know?
The daka.
Eh?
The daka.
Where you, ma?
The daka.
I want to enjoy
You will run.
You will run. Hey, the brandy ife. Mbumbu. Oganada. Life is good. I'm happy. Can't wait for a new job, new money.
Eat it. Oh. Yes, she is. Yaya. Oh. So you are the one sleeping with my husband. What?
Who is your husband? I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know my husband and you don't know what I'm talking about. You will soon know. Jamburu Banka. Do with our boys.
That's me out!
I'm a changed person now. This has turned around now. I'm a changed person now.
Babe.
Obi, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine. I hope you slept well.
Oh yes. Are you?
Very well. Are you hungry now?
Anyway,
I've already put your food. I've dished it.
Okay.
It's on top of the table.
Oh, okay.
So you can go and eat.
I will eat. Don't worry yourself.
And if you eat, it's not enough for you, let me know. There's more in the pot.
Thank you.
I said, let me wash your trousers. I saw them there. They are dirty, so I decided to wash them.
You did well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
I appreciate this. Is this a dream? She's washing my clothes. Has she really changed?
Bim,
Do you want me to help you?
No, Bim. Have you forgotten that I'm the giant cleaner of this family? It's my hobby. Love to wash.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, babe. Okay. Oh, well, let me go and check out the food.
Eat.
Mm.
Oh, if it's not enough, I know you're a foodie.
Don't worry yourself.
You call me, I put another
Don't
one.
worry yourself. Thank you. Eh?
No problem. What have you come here to do?
My beautiful daughter. Hey. Okay, Asa. I know you're still angry with me. I've not been a good mother. Please, I've come to ask for your forgiveness. Oh, I'm sorry, Biko.
I've heard you. Ngona. I have forgiven you, now go. Are you going to remain here? Is this your house? Don't you have a house?
I'm sorry, please. Oh, Biko.
And I said I have heard you. I've heard you. You can go. Yeah.
It's okay. Oh, my son.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome. Let's go inside, eh?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Guinea. Go inside where? Honey, she's not entering my house. You have a house. Go back to your house. You cannot enter my house.
Asa, but I've begged you, my in-law, please, I'm very sorry. I know I've not been a good mother-in-law. Biko, I'm sorry, oh?
Mama, I do not have anything against you. Okay? Oh, yes. You're welcome. Babe, please. Forgive her. She's your mother.
It's because of you I'm listening. Because I know this woman. She's no good.
Yeah.
She's no good.
It's okay. And can we go inside? Babe.
Mama, hug me now.
Anything you want, I'll do it for you.
You don't even need to don't worry. It's my character that will
Mr. James, is this you?
Oh, yes.
Ha!
How are you?
I'm fine. When did you come back?
Well, I came back 2 days ago.
Wow, welcome.
Yeah, I asked a few, but they said you went to go and see your brother.
Yes, he's not feeling fine.
So how is he now?
He's fine, we thank God.
Nice.
I can see you enjoying yourselves.
Oh, yeah.
Asa, why your man? Fine woman. Let me go and get something else. Yeah.
It's fine.
Enjoy
yourself. All right.
Alright.
Take care. Why your mom?
Okay. If I ever fight you again or look for your trouble, let God take my life. Because I'm enjoying this harmony, this peace, this. It is my character that will show you. Not need to talk too much.
Well, let's go inside.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, it's fine. Don't play my husband. Let's go inside. Don't worry.
Why your mom? Hi. Anything you want, I will do for you.
Now lie. This cannot be Asa. I don't believe this.
What is it?
I want dey sure say na you I see I know they dream.
I'm not two people. Of course, I'm the one. The one you saw.
Normally you that I know would have retaliated.
And my sister, that one, no, forget about it. Fighting and quarrel only give you headache. You know they give blood. They give. Am I lying?
Not true, you talk.
So forget about it. I was actually having a quiet time with my husband before you came. Let me continue. You can go back.
A lie. Asa that I know can never change. Maybe she's looking for a way to come and give me counter attack. But I'll always be ready. I'm on guard. Oh.
Well, I'm very sorry. Like I said, I'll come back tomorrow to check on you.
Please help me tell us what has happened. In fact, tell her that I want to see her. Oh. Hey.
Oyoyo, please, if you want to see her, sir, go to her. Or better still, call her cell phone. I don't want to get involved in your reconciliation with her, sir, please.
Okay, Biko. Oh no, Biko. I know she will listen to you. Please help me talk to her. I need to clear my mind. Biko. Oh. Biko.
Okay. I'll try my best. See you tomorrow.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're still doing the thing?
Yes, I know my husband does not like dust. He doesn't like to feel it at all. So that's why I'm cleaning.
Osugo. Osugo. I bought this for you.
Hey, my husband, you're doing too much. This is nice. I really appreciate it. But I think we should save up the little money we have to be able to start up a business. You know, so that we don't go very broke again. You know how it used to be now.
Do not worry about me. I'm fine.
I know you're fine, but I want my husband to be very, very happy. I don't want us to be having issues again, not because of money or anything. Let's invest it in something.
Talking about happiness, I want to make you happy. Follow me. I have something for you. I have something for you outside. Hey. Take it easy, eh?
What is going on? Don't tell me that car belongs to us. Is this a movie or something? I don't understand.
Baby girl, it's our car. It's our car.
How?
And more to come.
How did you get the money?
Well, like I said, God has answered our prayers. My friend Nelson, you know him now.
I know.
Oh yes, he was able to talk to Abby for me to be able to be marketing all the wine that she brought from abroad. From there, I started the supply. They even gave me the contact directly to the people in Holland. So you know how it is now. Business, checkpoint. Your guy is doing well.
I'm happy, my husband.
God is faithful.
So you mean we now have money?
We have money. I have money. I have a couple of millions and more to come. Oh yes. And this one is legitimate money. You know what that means? We'll be growing until we become billionaires.
I used to see these kind of things happen in movies. From nothing to something. It's happening to me and it's like a dream.
God is faithful.
Very, very faithful.
Yes, so...
How you have blessed my husband, even with all the fight and quarrel I used to give to him. You still have to bless him. God, I thank you.
It's fine, baby girl. Anything for you. Anything for you. I don't have strength.
I will give you strength.
I don't have strength.
What?
I bought it from my friend Nelson. We still have 1 or 2 things to fix here.
This house?
Oh yes.
Stop doing that to me now.
It's our new house, yes. I bought it from a friend, Nelson. Oh yes, we still have 1 or 2 to fix.
There is nothing to fix in this house. How?
Baby Mo. Come on, take a look. Take a look this way.
Well, let's go inside.
Eh?
Let's go inside and see how inside is.
Let me take you inside.
Hey!
All is good.
All the time. Hey!
Yes.
For
life.
My dear, why are you crying?
You see that my husband? You see that man there?
What about him? I hope he's all right.
Joe, can you believe my husband has been into drugs?
No. Since when?
I was coming from where I went to buy something. Someone called me on the phone. That ATLE has arrested my husband, that they saw him with drugs.
Jesus Christ.
Hi!
I thought he has gone back to overseas.
That's what I think. Oh. I don't know say the idiot today with woman for inside hotel. I don't know say day with woman all this while. He can't come back or give me infection. If I dey work out for road, people go think say na shakara they do. They don't know say na style how they used to they scratch my ash.
Yeah. I'm sorry about your unfortunate situation.
No. I go to struggle, I go to take care of myself. Country infection and so where I won't start from.
Now, how about his house? Has he finished building it?
Which house? Who dash monkey banana? Na package in the day see so you don't get any house.
Okay, rent. I hope he settled landlady before leaving.
For where? Person where I won't carry my jewelry and my clothes come out. I don't know whether I say I go sell up.
Hi! You need to do something. There is fire on the mountain. The other day, the new landlady called. She said she will be coming very soon for her rent. She said that anybody who does not pay should be ready to pack out of her house.
Hey, John, I beg help me talk to her. Make me beg her for me.
Ha. That's a mission impossible. How will I help you? Talk to her or beg her when I'm yet to pay my own rent. By the way, when you were contesting with Asa here, did you not remember that a day of reckoning, a day like this will come? Didn't you?
I don't die, yo. Oh, don't finish.
Well, the Frenchman will say, c'est la vie. Such is life. Eliza, in the face of the prevailing circumstances, are you going to wait for your husband to come out from the NDLEA custody before you take a step to help your situation?
I'm not going to feel wait too.
Well, I think you need to see the landlady, since she's related to you.
I've spoken to landlady. She has agreed for me to stay. But I think there's no need to stay. Because I don't have a job and I don't get money to go back to my business. So, no need.
Yes. I completely agree with you. You need a job. Let me see. I have someone who is looking for a cook. And I know that very well, that you're a good cook. So I think you need to go for that job.
Hey, John, thank you. I go do am.
Don't mention.
I go do am. Thank you very much.
What are neighbors for?
Hi.
I will write the address and give to you.
Pa John, my God go bless you for me.
I will bless you too.
Thank
bless
you.
You too. Bless you too.
Thank you.
Blessed is the hand that giveth and the one that taketh.
Thank you.
That's the scripture for you. If you are hungry, because man must work now, then you come, I give you some garri and sugar.
You don't overdo am for me.
No.
Thank you.
It's all right. Yeah.
Hey.
How are you? It's been a long time.
I'm
what
fine.
What are you doing here?
My husband just bought me a mansion over there. I'm going to see if I like it.
Oh,
yes.
That's really nice. That means you're going to be neighbors after all.
That would be nice.
Our house is just down there.
Really?
Yes, you're going to be neighbors. And I tell you something, this is a peaceful area. You will enjoy it.
I hope so, because I don't want to jump from frying pan to fire. You know what I mean?
No. Nothing like that.
Anyways, I was going to call you. My husband wants to buy me a car, so I want you to suggest the kind of car you should buy for me.
You should buy anyone he can afford.
He can afford any car. He has money. He has plenty money.
Okay.
Anyways, I know what to do.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes.
You know what to do.
Yes.
I want to pick up something at the supermarket.
Okay.
All right.
Let me quickly go and check the house.
Please, I would really love you to like the house so that we can be neighbors.
All right, take care.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Good day. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for your boss.
Are they aware you are coming?
Yes, I'm actually here for a job.
Are you a cook?
Yes.
Okay, in that case, let me call my madam first.
All right.
Hello, ma. Someone is here for the cooking job. Okay, ma.
Is she coming?
She said you should wait. I should be here soon. Let's go inside. Please, you can sit down. Thank you. What can I offer you?
Nothing.
No, auntie. If my madam comes back and see you are not eating, she'll be angry with me.
Are they very rich?
Or she rich? Auntie, if you enter their parlor, you go bow.
Hey. Well, in that case, get me anything.
Okay, let me go get it.
Alright. Oh boy. See mansion. See Gbedu. I go take picture. I go show Asa say my house fine pass her own. Eh? It a drive car. She thinks na only she's a big dengue. I go dengue pass am. I go take this picture, I go show am. Go show am, see na my the house my husband buy for me. It is no sense.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Okay, so what about the person you said was looking for me, the cook?
Ma, she was there.
Are you sure she was here?
Yes, ma. She was there. Where is she
You
now?
have to look for her because I need to attend to her before my children comes back from school.
Okay, ma. Where is she now?
Look for her, please.
Madam! Madam! My madam is here.
Elizabeth. Are you the cook?
Are you the owner of this mansion?
Madam, she's the cook. She's the cook.
Yes, this is my house. I told you when I saw you on the road. Well, oh, you are the cook.
My sister needs the job.
Eliza, man, you don't have to do this. Come on. I know you're the one that wants the job. Let me tell you something that you do not know. All fingers are not equal. And God can bless anybody. It might be your turn tomorrow. So just be free and talk to me. Excuse me. Let me look.
Actually, my husband was into drugs. He was caught, arrested, and taken to prison.
Oh, I'm really, really sorry about that. I didn't know. So sorry.
I know I have lost the job, considering all the fights we had back in the compound.
Those days were really, really funny.
Hey! Now who saw this okrika clothes for my rope? Eh? The person know they fear. Who do this kind of rubbish for this compound?
Oh! It's your fear. I just hope this your madness is not about me. It's not about my clothes. I just hope so. If you try to touch these clothes, you are done for.
Asa, you no fear. You carry this cheap thing where it be like rag. Console for my expensive robe. You no fear. After you don't destroy my goods, finish. You still get my son clothes for this place. Remove these cheap things from this place.
Trouble they sleep. Yanga go wake up. Everybody wait there for this yard. Shebi una dey. Onworonye darafia we konyi he koireba. Nobody. Na landlord put am for us. And you don't have any right whatsoever to tell me to shift my clothes na that point.
But remove this rag come for you till they do this idiot. Tell me say what is that? What do you do?
Every day I used to take you to school. You have grown to be going to school by yourself. Do you understand? Okay. So if you get to the main road and you want to cross, you look right, you look left. What did I say?
You look right, you look left.
Hold your ears first. Say it again.
You look right, you look left.
And then you cross. Yeah, bring it down. This is 20 naira. Hold it. This is 50 naira. But you eat only 30 naira and bring back 20 naira for me. Do you understand?
Yes.
There go. Hold your brother. Hold him. Go, you're mature. What tomorrow night say I'm taking you to school every day. Where are you coming from?
What about the kids? Have they gone to school?
They have not gone to school. They're inside my mouth. What is the time now? Why wouldn't they be in school? Look at you. So what you do is you go out, get drunk, sleep with whoever you want to sleep with, and then come back later the next day to ask me stupid questions. And you call yourself a father, a husband. What are you husbanding me?
Sir, please, I'm not ready for this madness.
What? You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere unless you tell me where you slept last night. What kind of nonsense and ingredient is this?
Are you mad? Eh? Enough of this nonsense. Rubbish. And let me tell you something. If you stop me anytime in this house, I will hit your head.
Pretender! Hello, Chimo! Crocodile tears that you they shed. Pretender! That person be.
I will not take it!
Can you stop this nonsense? Can you stop this
nonsense? Stop
this rubbish. Stop this rubbish.
You cannot shout at me and do all these things. And you tell me you want to stay in this house. You cannot do it.
I don't want this madness.
Ona?
I'm tired of this madness. I'm tired. I am tired.
I am not tired. I'm not tired. Why did you sleep out last night? See, go back to that place you came from. You're not entering this house.
You are pushing me.
Out of this house.
I said you're pushing me in this house. You are pushing me in this house.
If you don't tell me where you went to, you can never enter this house.
Asa, stop this nonsense. Asa, stop this rubbish. Asa, no. I don't like this. So, no. Asa.
See, come to my house, eh? I have food. Come and eat. I know you're hungry. Come and eat.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
I have tea, fried egg with buttered bread. You will like it. Come on, make this woman. Come to my house. Don't mind this useless person. Come, make I take care of you. Come. Leave this.
Useless man. You go out and you misbehave. And you want me to. Where is he? Onyala.
Just let. Eliza! Wait! This worry witch!
My door. You won't break my door. What did they happen?
I see my husband leg.
Which leg?
My husband
My
leg.
friend, come for this place. What do you want to do for my house?
You well? You better say you take Chris. Something they worry you for.
Eh.
Wait till make you carry my husband enter your
Who tell you say carry your husband enter my house?
I just saw
Which leg you see? Let's say don't they meant.
See, Eliza, if you don't want me to scatter you into shreds, just give me my husband in peace. Let me go.
Husband, you don't throw away since.
Don't throw. I want to throw away my husband. We just dey play. I tell myself make it day. Say later. I know how to do them. We be husband and wife.
What? No make me vex because if I vex, I go run enter your body. I go finish your man. I go enter your body. Come.
See, I go beat you.
See. As you know, fit take care of your husband. I say make I take care of him for your mama and God.
You go take care of my own husband.
Yes.
My own man.
Yes.
As I don't fit take care of him.
Yes.
I go beat you.
You not fit. You not fit. You not fit. I be worried. You not fit. You not fit do anything. Your husband don't take my house. Come on, come on. Your husband don't take my house. Your husband.
Worry witch! Hey, Chineke, what is it? James, if you do anything with that woman, you are gone. James, I will kill you. Hey, open this door. Open this. Carpenter. Where's the carpenter?
Make I eat my sweet meat in peace, while some people die in pains.
A na-ekwu na anti worry bụ ezi. Ọ na-ata anụ ezi. I got no ntị na this compound. Useless thing. Look at you. People are eating good meat, and you are eating pig. Pig that God cursed and drove into swamp.
Jealousy, you know say you no get sense. This one be like Olodo. Jealousy, you know say you no get sense. This one be like pig for you. This na chicken. Ooh. Shameless human being. Get out!
And for my wig that you spoiled. You think I'll keep quiet?
Useless human being. Very irritating and disgusting.
You think I will keep quiet for my wig that you spoiled, eh?
You know people are fall down. Now make they pay you. You know go fit buy chicken.
You think I will keep quiet and allow you? Eh? My wig that you see. Yes. Asa, yeah? You will have to pay for my wig. If you don't pay for my wig, come and eat the useless.
You see this my meat where you put some expensive meat. You go pay for it or you go chop up.
You fool!
Hey!
You are idiot!
No wahala.
Black witch.
Okay.
Black witch. You see this food?
Why did you do
You must chop her.
Huh?
Eh? Do what?
You must chop her.
Do what?
I don't know.
I beg you to concern me.
See this food? You must chop her.
I know they chop anything. You must chop her.
Asa, it's okay. Asa. Yeah, stop this. Hey, you guys should stop.
Ọkọ Johnson achọrọ m ịlụ. Ọ bụ gịnị na-ebute ya? Ọkpanta akọhọkọ nwaanyị na-esogharị ụmụ nwoke ọkpanta akọhọkọ. Kedu ka esi akọ ya? Zebra. Hey, zebra. Why syphilis?
Asa, who locked my door?
Let me lock am.
I don't understand.
Let me lock am.
Which kind of nonsense with this? Which kind of madness with this?
Now you the Chris.
I don't understand. Which kind of nonsense with this? Which kind of madness with this?
Now you the mad. You are raving mad. You dey talk. You open your mouth, they talk. You get mind, comot my wig. You don't just comot my wig, you go tear am. My wig, they way they do am now. See, if you don't give me back that wig, you no go enter your house. I have the key.
Asa, you not be landlady. I know they owe rent. You get mind, lock my door. You the crazy.
Now you the mad. You're very, very stupid. Why you go collect my wig? Something they worry you for head. I go show you say if you dey do say you be worry, I be Igbo.
Asa, do they like this rubbish?
Shut up your mouth. I dey prepare for you.
Hey.
Break your head now.
You ladies, When are you going to stop this recalcitrant behavior of yours in this yard? Is it only when you bring down the entire building that you will know that you are disrupting the tranquility of the whole neighborhood?
This idiot lock my door when I know the own rent, when she not be landlady, for waiting.
Really?
Yes!
This pig where you dey sit for here, comot my wig, tear am. And if she not give me my wig, Omo, you no go enter your house.
You get syphilis. You get syphilis. You dey scratch. And you be pig. You dey bad. You dey bad. You dey bad. Ah! You don't see me scratch rounds. I'm too fine.
Is that why you lock her door? Is that the reason why you lock her door?
Yes, that's the reason.
And look, for justice sake, you have no right whatsoever to lock her door because of a piece of wig. No lock, you stand by whatsoever.
Keep quiet. You think you're English speaking man. Keep quiet. You don't know say who they.
I'm not responsible for your analphabetism. I'm not your parent who didn't. Who did not send you to school?
Keep quiet. You are the frustrated man. Do you know how much I bought that wig? 5,000 naira. Does she have it? This Uncle Joshua.
Wait, why not reach 1,000?
Shut up your mouth.
You get money to buy wig. You get. I don't go pay for nothing. You the smell. You the smell. Gossa.
She will open it.
Let's open my door. Let's open my door.
She will
open my door. Open my door.
Uncle Joshua. Hey, you are dying, you know. I will kill you. You know you are dying.
Open my door.
You are dying.
I know I have lost the job. Unfortunately, you have. Super John knew you were the owner of this mansion and he sent me here.
Maybe he wants us to settle our differences. Just maybe.
I hope you forgive me.
And I hope you forgive me too, because we both wronged each other.
I forgive you. I have to get going.
I forgive you too. But there's something you must know. Do you agree with me that poverty is another form of madness?
Yes, I agree with you.
Just give me a minute.
I wish I could just disappear from this place. I wish I could forget this.
You were my neighbor. We were cat and dog, always fighting each other, out of ignorance. But you know, I cannot bring myself to accept you to be my cook. I would never do that. So, out of my own benevolence, I decided to give you this check of 2 million naira to start up a business for yourself. Here. Oh my God.
Asa, thank you.
No, don't do that. Don't even try it again. I am not God. God has blessed my family. And all I can do is to extend a hand of help to you. You're also my sister.
Asa, thank you so much. My God will bless you for me.
Amen.
Thank you.
God bless you too. But you still have to pay for my wig. Agreed? Let's just go inside. I'll ask the house help to prepare something very nice for us. Come on, let's go.